Welcome to Indonesia, the land of exotic and endemic trees. Exotic Furniture Indonesia is an association of 9 factories, each of which is specialized for certain type of wood and certain type of craftsmanship. We have wide range of products, from teak wood, mahogany, merbau, sewer wood, natural rattan, bamboo, mindi, acacia, bangkirai, yellow balo, Kuku wood, rosewood, coconut tree wood, Java hardwood, etc. Some of the factories have their roots for more than 100 years. Great-grandfathers started small home workshops and over the time, from generation to generation, grew into factories and serious business relationships all over the world. The production of furniture is unique, and some of designs are characteristic only for Bali, Java, Sulawesi, Kalimantan, and some other islands of Indonesian archipelago. The furniture is produced in modern and in traditional design styles. All the furniture is handmade. Of course, machines are used for cutting and shaping the wood, but everything else is handcraft. The people that work in those factories are so proud of their skills and their achievements. When we fly from island to island or travel with boat or ship, we can see and experience difference in culture and tradition. Traditional furniture styles change too, but our modern design furniture follows the world's trends. Every year, we have new line of products. We also produce furniture customized by clients' specifications. All products in our factories are made from solid wood, and we have assortment of over 8,000 unique products. Besides furniture, our assortment also consists of decking, flooring, parquet, banana, and natural rattan baskets, home and office indoor-outdoor decors, kitchenware, and many other products that are characteristic for tropical islands of Southeast Asia. All 9 factories are part of government organizations, as MINDO, Association of Furniture Indonesia, and register as member Legal Woods Indonesia. We are located in Solo, Surakarta, Central Java Island. Indonesia is the largest archipelago in the world, consists of 5 main islands and about 17,000 plus islands in total. About 6,000 of islands are inhabited. Due to its moderate tropical climate throughout the year, soil is fertile, so vegetation is lush and wildlife rich and versatile. There are so many gorgeous islands and so many beautiful resorts that are considered as one of the best on the planet. Of course, there are even more places suited for every wallet. Resorts are offering absolutely everything for family or business people to relax and enjoy fully the benefits of a tropical paradise. Please come and visit us. We will show you all the facilities and products, get experience in production processes. After visiting factories, we can arrange quality time on Bali, Lombok, Flores, or Karimun Jawa Islands. Try and enjoy local, traditional food. Enjoy the way the food is prepared, and all of that in front of your eyes. Asian people are so proud of their food, so they take special care in preparing it and in decorating the dishes. When guest comes from outside the country, they are even more attentive. The main course of Asia involves rice, as in Europe bread, and there are so many hundreds of dishes that are so unique for each island of Indonesia. Seafood is my favorite. However, this rich Asian cuisine have everything for everybody.
Thank you for watching. We are posting videos usually every few days. If you like our videos, please subscribe and press notification bell to stay up to date. Leave us a comment about what you would like to see and also what you like or don't like.